Hey everyone, welcome back to The Healthy Human. Today is another Tip Tuesday, and today's tip is to use a happiness jar. What is a happiness jar? Basically it's where you put all happy memories, good things that have happened, just all in one jar. So what I do is at the end of every week, I'm doing this for a whole year by the way, at the end of every week I'll think of the best thing that's happened and I'll write it down on a piece of paper, fold it up, put it in the jar, and I'll do this every single week until the end of this year. And at the end of the year I will open it up and then look through all of them and basically go back through all of my happy memories of the year. And obviously this is a pretty uncertain time with COVID-19 and everything, so it'll be nice at the end of this year after such a hard year to just go back and remember all of the actual good things that have happened. This can be done, like you can do this every day and then look back at your week. You can do this every 2 months, every however long, but I do it every week. And yeah, at the end of the year, reading back through them all, I think it'll be super nice. So that is today's tip. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.